All right, here we go. Sunday morning playoffs. We have the Pittsburgh Lightning Civil War here. 9 teams in the Rec B division. Ends up being the 4 seed Pittsburgh Lightning blue team, the cadet team, versus the 5 seed gray team, the Pittsburgh Lightning cadet team. So blue team, the freshman team, gray team, the 5 seed, the cadet team. Both teams were 1-1 yesterday in their round robin games. Blue trying to clear the zone. They're out. 5 there for the cadet. Oh. Offsides. Of course, 93 on gray has a dark gray. Winner will go on to face the winner of the 1 versus 9 seed game, which would probably be the Big Cats. Loose in the circle. Gray in the corner, 2. Looks to fill it across behind the goal. Blue comes away with it, 1. 93 dumps back in. 18's there for blue. 18 throws it in. 93 up the boards. 24 now. 18 takes it away. 93 at the point. Long shot. Blocked down by 91. Gray's off. 24 dumps in. Wholesale changes here for Gray. 91 up for 10. 10 dumps. 9 throws it back in. 91 up. Up for 30. Taken away by 91. Gray. 91 around the boards. 17's gonna get there. 17 chips up. Dumped in. 12's chasing for blue. 90's there for gray. Thrown under. 10 takes it away. Oh, 15 there as well. Loose along the boards. 30 now. 17 to the point. 91. Shot. Locked down. Dumped out. 93 on Gray's end. Nice back check by 17. 17 tries to go by. Nice poke by 9. 17 loses the stick. Long shot, glove down, save. 22 for blue, trying to get it out of there. 91 tosses it down, going to be an icing. 7:19 left here in the first. 0-0. Once again, the blue team is the Lightning Freshman team. The gray team is the Lightning Cadet team. Freshman or 4 seed. Cadet team is the 5th seed. 88 on the draw for Gray. Loose in the circle. Still loose, and goaltender comes out and covers. $18 on the draw versus 88. 18 wins it. Blue trying to clear. 1 loose in front and covered by the goaltender. $88 versus 18 on the draw again. At the points for Gray. 5 and 11. Thrown in front, just missed. 1 trying to clear. 20 on him around the boards. 28 chips it up for 22. 22. Nice poke by 11 to keep it in. 1 now, trying to get it out. 1 carries, up for 97. Nice hold there by 5. 5 keeps the zone. 28 now, carries. Up for 1. He finally gets it out. Dumped in. 5's there. 97, got a chance. Loose this side of the goal. Chips it over. 18's there at the bottom of the circle. 11's on him. 18 now. Wraparound attempt. Thrown in front. Shot. 97. Nice save. One at the point, one shot. Ooh, just missed wide. And cover off the boards. Nice work by 18 there. Wrap around. 97 also on the doorstep. And then a shot from the point from one. Draw's going to be to the left of the gray goaltender. 24 versus 10 on the draw. 24 wins it. 13 tries to clear, chipped up. 24 chips up for 13. 13 chips in. 91 will get there first for blue. He goes up the boards. Over 15 stick, 93 is there. 93 up for 24. 24 goes by 10. 24 tries to go by 22. 22 takes it away. 10 over for 14. 14, ooh, had 57 cutting. Nice check there. Shot, ooh, glove saved by 12. Got a piece of it. 14 with the wrister. Around. 13. 13 dumps. He chases. Goaltender cuts it off. Up the boards. 93 can't keep. 10's racing. 10's gonna get there first. 93's on him. 93. 93. Up the boards. Bouncing ball here along the boards. 13 comes away with it. 22 at the back check. 13. Shot. Big save. 22 now behind the goal. Opportunities for both teams. 5 minutes left, still 0-0. 57's going to come away with it. Up the boards. 57 in transition. He gets it across. Oh, splits a double. Oh, tried to drop it for 10. 15 now's in. 15 gives it up for 2. 2 at the circle. Oh, nice angle. 2 thrown across. Shot. Pad save to the point. 9 tries to keep. He does. Throws it on. 91 dumps it all the way down. On goal. 11's there. Oh, they got a chance here. Got him in a change. 2's across. 17 gets out there quickly though. Shuts it off. That's how Gray had the game-winning goal yesterday in their second round robin game. Caught the misfits in a change. 1 splits the double. 1 shot high and wide. Nice split of the double team though. 90 dumps in. 28's going to get there first for blue. 28 reverses. Thrown across for 1. 1 redirects towards the goal. 30 now. Chance. Shot. Loose in front. Oh, goal. That's going to be it. 30 got it on goal. 1 working hard. As he was thrown to the ground, diving backhand shot on the rebound by 1. 1-0. Lightning blue, Lightning freshman up. 3:49 left in the first. 91 on the draw for Gray. Blue controls. 1 dumps down. 18's chasing hard. Thrown over for 93. 93 goes. Uh-oh, takeaway here. 30. 90. 93. Pushes through it. 93 goes through 3 guys. 93 still going. 93 loses the stick. He's still going. Looks to center. 93 still going. 1's on him. He reverses. Nice move. Ooh. Just missed the skip pass. Good work from 93. Kept in by Gray. 17 now. 17's in. 17 dumps in. 5's going to get there first. Thrown deep. 91 trying to keep up over him. 93 for Gray. He's there first. 28's on him. Thrown in front. The goaltender was out. 30 now for blue. Going to throw it in deep. 5's there for Gray. Fresh legs though coming out of the bench. 97 wraparound attempt. Just missed. 17 now. 17 loose in the circle. He picks it up. 17 throws it back in. 22 now. Thrown across, centering pass on goal. Nice work there for both teams. 2:32 left. 1-0 blue. Freshman up over the cadet team. '88's going to be on the draw for Gray versus 10 for blue. to the point. 20 though, gets there first. She dumps in. 28's there for blue. Gonna go around the boards. Oh, off his stick. Tries to go to 22. Thrown in front. Nobody home. Chipped out by blue. Icing. Icing on blue. Draw's gonna be to the right of the blue goaltender. Once again, 88 versus 10 on the draw. 2:13 left. Thrown towards the goal, towards the circle. 9, shot, blocked down by 97. 1 goes all the way around the boards. Up for 22, the lefty. 10 now. 10 goes right down the middle. Ooh, tries to split the triple team on goal. 1:56 left here. Still 1-0 blue. Draws to the right of the gray goaltender, 88 versus 10. Oh, a little early. Gray wins it, up the boards for 20. 1, nice keep. 1 tries to keep. It's kept in by blue. In for the circle, 97. 97 dumps behind. 9's there. Oh, 22's coming hard. The lefty goes up for 10. 10 now. Dumps back down. Oh, 9's there. Hit the bench, out of play. 1:33 left in the first. Wholesale change here for Gray. 24 will be on the draw. 5 and 11 on defense. Other 2 forwards, 2 and 13. 24 wins it cleanly. Chipped up for 13. Oh, nice look for 24. 24. Oh, he's cut off. 11 gets it out. 5 tries to chip up for 13. Turn across for 57. 18 tries to keep. Chipped out. 13 chases. 1's there. 1 reverses. 1 carries. Nice outlet for 18. 18 over for 57. A little behind him though. 57 tries to throw it in. 18 now. 57, give and go. 18 working. 8. Oh, off their stick. Couldn't get the shot. 2 now. He's over. Dumps in deep for 24. 24 falls. 1 takes it away. Over for 57. Nice outlet. 57's in. Oh, loses his footing. 5 takes it away. 5 splits it. Now he dumps in. And oh, goal! Oh my God! 5 just went through 3 or 4 guys. What an effort by 5. Initially came back, took the ball off. 57 went back the other way. 30 seconds left. 1-1. Incredible individual effort there by 5. 22, the righty for blue, behind the goal. Goes around for 91. 91, oh, loose in front. 91 tried to clear right up the middle. There was a guy cut it off in the slot. 30 now. 93's on him. Oh, nice spin move. 9 seconds. Looks to center here. 5 seconds. 15 takes it away. That's going to be it. Clears it all the way down. That's going to be it. Competitive game. After the first period, freshman team blue won, cadet team, gray team won. All right, Civil War, period 2. 17 on the draw for the freshman team blue, 91 for gray. 1-1 after 1. .22 throws it all the way in deep. 15 will get there for gray. The lefty 22 tries to go up the boards. He does. Kept in by blue. 17 drops for 22. 22 the lefty now in deep. 15 tries to clear it out. 17 all the way across. Throws it in for 91. 91 thrown in deep. Wide behind the goal now. 91 tries to get it out. He does. Chip back in. by 91. 93, chips it over. The righty 22, throws it in on goal. 93 controls for Gray. It's gonna be nice. Was looking for 91, up the middle, over a stick. Wholesale changes for both teams here. The winner will go on to face the #1 seeded Big Cats. 10 versus 88 on the draw, to the right of the goal thunder. Loose in the circle. 5. Oh, nice ups by 1. Keeps that. Oh, 20's in. She's across. Throws it in deep. 12 will get there. 12. Nice chip. Past 28. 28 now. Controls up the boards. 1. Nice keep by 5. 20 now. She comes in, digs in, throws it towards the goal. 57 takes it off. 11 tries to keep. Chipped out by 97. 97's in. 57 now. Shot. Save. No angle though on 57 shot. Thrown in on goal. 1's going to pick it up. 20's on him. Thrown over for 28. Pressure from 12. 12 takes it away. Shot. Ooh. It was still loose. They called it a dead ball. Nice take away by 12. 12 took it away. Quick shot. No angle though. 12 now. Throws it across. 1 will be there first. He reverses. Back up the boards for 97. 97. Throws it in. 11's going to get there for Gray. Pressure coming from 10 now. Cutting off the boards. 5. Throws it up for 20. 20 now, trying to get it out. She does. Over for 10. 10, nice move there. 10 dumps back in. 5 will be there first. Brother versus brother. 5 behind the goal, trying to clear the zone. He does. He's on the backhand. All the way down, and it's over. 28, over for, uh-oh, trouble. 2 cuts it off. 1 now. 2's on him. Take away. 2 now. 2 working hard. Fought off the double team. 2 curls. 2 goes to the backhand now. Oh, 1 comes in. 88 comes and helps. 88 now. Double and 1 now. It's out to 57. 57 now. Chips in. 5 gets there first though. 5 all the way around the boards. Got 13 chance. Fresh legs here. 13. Over. Oh, just missed 24. 2 now. Has got some time. 2 for 13. Shot. Ooh, just over the goal. 24 now in the corner. 24 and 13 are fresh. 13's got a chance. Shot. Blocked down by 28. To the point. Shot. Blocked by 18. 1 tries to ice it. Kept in by 11. Nice keep. 13 now on the boards. Shot. Save. Nice shot by 24. Couldn't get a lot on it. Got it on goal though. Good save. More importantly, cover by the blue goaltender. 2 was on the doorstep for the rebound. If he didn't corral that. 6:18 left in the second. Still 1-1. Freshman versus Cadet. 18 versus 24 in the draw. 18 wins it cleanly. Oh, 24 picks that off. 24 blocked the clearing pass. 17 now. Up the board. 17's by him. 17's in. Shot. Oh, hit pipe. 17 had a chance there in transition. 17. 13 now. Trying to take it away. Oh, 24 just past him. 91 dumps back in. 5:50 left in the second. 24 now. Up the middle. Nice lead for 2. 2. Back to 24. 24. Oh, tries to get it. Oh, he gets it by him too. 22. Moves. Tries to center. Oh, goaltender's down. 2 battles. 12. 12 now up the boards. 24's there. or I'm sorry, 22, the righty 22. He clears the zone. Nice clear by the righty 22. He's in deep now, behind the goal. 93 now takes it away. 93 up the boards. 90's in. 91's on him. 90 on the backhand. Tries to go across the goal. Oh, nice cover. Nice move by 90 on the backhand. Tried to get it in front of the goal. Poked away by the goaltender, eventually covered. 5 minutes left. 1-1. The lefty 22. Oh, 57 versus 91 on the draw. To the right of the goaltender. .57 now. Dumped in deep. 22, the lefty trying to get there. Battle in the corner. 30 now. On the boards of the circle. He curls. Got to shoot that. Oh, back check there. Got there in time. He loses his footing. 91 trying to pull the trigger. Oh, he's tripped. Power play coming for blue here. 91 was coming across the top of the slot. The lefty was looking to pull the trigger. Got tripped down. Power play coming up here for freshman, the blue team. Knotted up at 1. 57 on the draw. He wins it to himself. Shot. Gets it to 30. Save. And loose in the circle. 57 now, 5 on him. 5 takes it away. 5 behind the goal on the PK. Gets it up for 15. 15 gets it down. 90's running hard though. 90 on the forecheck on the PK. 28 up for 1, up for 30. 30 now's in. 5 will get there and take it away. 5 now behind the goal. 5, nice backhander all the way down. 28 there, light pressure from 90. 28 around the boards for 1. Pressure now coming from Gray. Up the boards for 30. 5 gets there again to take it away. 5 tries to airmail it down, gets it to 90. Oh, over to 1, but they're offsides. 1 now, up for 57. Offsides. .335 left. It's going to be 88 versus 18 on the draw. Gray wins it. Dumped in now. The righty 22. Pressure now coming from 20. She takes it away. Centering pass. Oh, there it is. 88. Shot. Oh, big save. 20. Forced the turnover. Centered it to 88. Oh, 88 again. Oh, just missed again. 88. 2 huge opportunities here. 18's on him now. 20, creating havoc. She takes it away again. 20. 88 comes in now. .22 now, long shot. Thrown in deep, wide right. 2:50 left. Gray controls up the boards for 20. She tries to clear. 22 keeps. Thrown in. Bouncing ball, 22 the lefty's there, 88's there as well. Oh, 88 slips. 22 lefty, throws across. 18 chips it out over. 93 is there now. 20's off. What a shift for 20. She created a lot of havoc there for blue. Gray, 24 picks it off. 22 righties on him. 24 versus 22. 24 now goes to the forehand. And the circle. Shot. Ooh, big glove save. Nice setup by 24. He had 22, the righty draped on him. Set up 12 in the circle. Nice glove save by the goaltender, short side. 2:14 left here in the second. 24 will be on the draw. Versus 10. 24 wins it. 13 tries to get it on goal. Chip to the point. Nice keep by 11. 11 dumps it back in. Bouncing ball. 10's in. 10, 15. Nice back check there to break that up. 15 now. Goes it across for 2. One corrals it. 2's on him. Up for 38. Up for 28. Cool. Nice drop from 17 to 1. One shot. Got a piece of it. 97. Back to 1 behind. Looks to center. 17. Shot. Wide. Gray now. 11. Goes it across. Oh, nice outlet for 13. 13 tries to go by. Oh, 11 keeps to 13. 13's in. Shot. Save. 97 now. 97's across. 2. Nice back check stick lift. Thrown down. 13 now with the pressure. 13, 28 on. 13, nice move. Going across. Oh, just missed. 24 now. In the corner. 24. Those it. Oh, nice skip pass for 2. 2. Shot. High. Nice pass there by 24. 13. 13. Over. Shot. Ooh, 15. Nice cut by 15. Nice feed by 13. It's frenetic here. 2. 2. 28's on him. Third in front. Loose. And that's going to be a cover. What pressure by the Gray team. What pressure by Gray there. 24, 15, 2, 13. Great shift by Gray there. Creating a lot of pressure. Still 1-1 now. 11 with a couple of nice keeps there. 18 on the draw for Blue. Versus 91. '18 wins it cleanly. Now 18 now comes away with it. 18's across, 3 on 2. 18 tries to split him. 91. 91 trying to corral it. 57 shot blocked down. 25 seconds left. Blue now, long shot, high and wide. 22 now. Ooh, loose in front. 91. 10 seconds left. 91's across. 93 chases. Puts on the brakes, the lefty. 5 seconds. Try to go to the point here. Get a shot. 22. Long shot. Loose. Nice save there. Nice save. 91 set up 22. The righty at the point. Shot on goal. Save and cover by the Gray goaltender. 4/10 of a second left. And that's going to be it. Wow. Competitive game at the end of 2. Freshman, Lightning, Blue team 1. Cadet, Gray team, Lightning 1. Here we go. Start of the third period. Lightning Civil War tied up 1 after 2. Cadet team trying to beat the freshman team. 93 tries to clear. Blocked off. 97. 17 now. 17 curls across. Thrown in deep. 22, the lefty there. Got it. 17 cutting. Oh, too late now. Drop for 17 in the corner. 17 now behind the goal. 17 looks for 97. 2. 93. He's out. 93. He's in now. Shot. Nice save and cover. 93. Eventually got it over to 12. 12 at the top of the circle. Shot, save and cover by the Blue goaltender. (17) versus 88 in the draw. Loose in the circle. Blue comes away with it. 97. Oh, nice play by 2. Chipped out pass by 93 though. Blue's off. 17. 17 over for 22. The lefty. Up the boards. 12 now's in. 91's on him. 91 takes it away. Thrown across. 20's there for Gray. 22. Loose in the corner. 12 now. At the dumps it behind. 88. Oh, 88 look for the give and go. Past 12. 97. Oh, 97 was off on himself. 20. Long shot. Save. Rebound. Ooh, 88 was there on the doorstep. Couldn't corral it. Thrown in on goal. It's going to be a cover. Gotta say, I think the second period and early here in the third, Cadet team is outplaying the freshman team right now. 24 versus 18 on the draw. 24 wins it, back to 5. 5 tries to go up the boards, blocked off by 13. Or I'm sorry, 13 now carrying. It's blocked off by 30. 13 took it away though. Loose in the circle, loose in the circle. Somebody trying to pull the trigger, 24 and 13. 1 now, trying to split them. Ooh, nice check there by 5 to get that out of there. 30 now, up offsides. 1 wasn't back yet. '24 wins the draw. Shot wide. 1 behind the goal. Up for 28. Oh, taken away by 24. 24 takes it away. Drops it for 2. 2. Shot wide. 24. Once again, nice setup going to 2. 13 taken away. 1. 1. Tries to split the double. 5 and 11 shut him down. 38-28 now, controls for blue. Over for 30. 30 dumps it up. 11's there. Pressure coming from 18. Over for 5. 5 up for 24. Off his stick though. 13 over for 2. Got a chance here. Shot. Save. Oh, and cover. 24 was on the doorstep there. I'll tell you, a lot of pressure here from the Gray Cadet team. Definitely outplaying this blue team right now, but the scoreboard's still 1-1. 7:24 left in the third. 17 versus 24 on the draw. Gray wins it behind the goal. 91 versus 24. 24 comes away with it. 24 now in the corner. The righty 22's on him. 22 takes it away. Up the boards for 17. 17. It's going to be an icing. He had 57 there. All you had to do was chip it to him. He airmailed it down. Wholesale changes here for Gray. And there for Gray. 90, 91, 93, 15 and 93 at the point. 91 will be on the draw versus 17. Loose in the circle. 17 trying to get it out. 17 trying to get it out. Up the boards for 17. He chips in. 15 versus 17 here. 17 comes away with it. Thrown it behind for 14. 14 now behind the goal. Centering. Nice keep by 22. 22 trying to keep. 17 trying to keep. 57 is going to shoot that. Shot. Ooh, pipe. Another pipe for blue. They've had 2 now. 93. 57 to battle on the boards. 57 shot. Ooh, nice block by 15 on 17. Nice setup. 57 set up 17. 17 now. Drops for 22. Shot. Loose in front. 22. 22 now loses his footing. 22. 57 now. Battles 93. 57. Nice change of direction. Oh, 17. Big save. 57 set up 17 again. To the point. 91. 91. And cleared out by 93. Oh, to 90. Shot. Save. Rebound to the corner. Up for 17. 17 over for 57. 57. Chips it in. And it's going to be a cover. Wow. Great shift there. That time by blue. A lot of scoring opportunities. Just couldn't bang it home. 5:40 left in the third. Wholesale changes for both teams here. And there for Lightning, 12, 5, 9, 20, and 88. 88 will be on the draw. 18 on the draw for blue. He wins it to the point. 91's going to shoot that. Shot, slap shot, blocked off by 20. She got a piece of it. 18 now. 30. 30 shot, save and cover. Didn't have an angle there. 18 and 30 doubled. 5 took it away. 88 versus 18 on the draw. Blue wins it again to the slot. 1's trying to pull it. Nice play there by 9. Going around. 1's trying to cut it off. Not, oh, 20. Nice clear there. She gets it past 91. It's going to be thrown up out of play. Versus 88 on the draw again. This time to the left of the blue goaltender. Blue wins it again. To the point though. 90. Oh, 9 shot blocked down. 9 keeps to 20. 20 dumps it in deep. 91's there. 9 tries to keep. He does. Oh, 1 takes it away though. 1 big poke check there by 5. Oh, 1 slipping. 1 now curls. To the point, 91, shot, wide. Ooh, loose in front, loose, a goal! 30 with the goal. 91, just with that little quick snapshot. Got it on goal. Loose in front. 30 and 18 working hard in front. I think that was 30. I think it was 30 on the goal. 2-1 freshman. 4:39 left. $17 on the draw for Blue. Blue wins it. 11 for Gray. Takes it away. 13 now's in for Gray. 17 now. Cut off by 2. Thrown in deep by 22. 11's there. Up the boards to himself. 11. That's going to be a nice. Oh. 4:03 left. On the draw. Ray wins it. 13 trying to go up the boards. Cut off. 17's got a chance here. 17 shot and save. '17's had a couple of A+ opportunities here. Hadn't been able to put it by that goaltender. Still 2-1 freshman team Blue up over Gray. 17 versus 24 on the draw. 93 up the boards. 93's in. 1 chases. 1 versus 93 is going to be down there behind the goal. 93 pins them. 17 and 20 and 24 both going to help. Loose in front. 93 loose behind the goal now. 1 now comes away with it. 1 now reverses. Up the boards for 10. 10 up the boards. 13 keeps it in for 2. 2 keeps for 93. 93 shot. Ooh, just wide. 24. 24 now in the corner. 91's on him. 24 loses his footing. 24, nice. 24 to 2. Shot. Oh my God. 24, what an effort. Give and go with 2. 2 slash into the goal. Nice save and cover by the blue goaltender there. 18 on the draw for Blue. One clears out. 13 shot blocked down by 1. 1 now. Going to carry this. 3 minutes left. Up 1. 1 dumps in. 13's there. 13's going to body him. 13 trying to clear it out. Nice work by 13. 13 leads for 93. 93, oh, looks to go to 2. Nice play by 57 on the back check there. on that 3-on-2. 24 is there. Pressure coming from 14. 24 up for 5. 5 reverses. He's got a lob pass here. Up. 3 lines. .233 left. Still 2-1 blue. Freshman team up over the cadet team. AIT to the draw. To the point. Shot. Deflected. Ooh, deflected. 14. Just missed. Shot from 28. 14 deflected. Behind the goal again. 14. Working it behind the goal. Centering. Nobody home. Chance here in transition. 93. 93's by 28. 93 now in the corner. Centering attempt. Blocked down. 28 tries to clear. He does up to 18. 18 now. 18's in. 14's there first. 18 in front. 15 now. 2 minutes left. 15 up for 90. Blue kept. 14 shot. 18 in front. 18 centered. Kept in by blue. Thrown in deep. Gloved. Offside there on the substitution. 1:39 left here. Still 2-1 freshman team. (17 versus 24 in the draw). 24 wins it towards the goal. Chipped out by 1. It's going to be an icing. .133 left. Once again, 17 versus 24 in the draw. To the left of the blue goaltender. All the way down, icing. Drop it again here. .24 versus 17. To the point. Chance here. 30 there. 5 chasing. 30 puts on the brakes. 5 takes it away. 5 now. 5's across. 5's across. Puts on the brakes. 91's on him. 70 seconds left. 91 in the corner. 5 on him. 93 now. Center attempt. Blocked off. Pulling the goaltender here. 24 now battles. Takes it away from 1. Shot. Oh, big save and cover. Shot from Gray there. Who was out on the shot? 2. 55 seconds left. Empty net now for the cadet team. Trying to knock this thing up. 18's going to be on the draw for blue. 24 for Gray. Loose, thrown all the way down. That's going to be it. 91. Almost a full court shot from the bottom of the circle. It's going to be 3-1 now blue. They're looking to be in good shape here to advance to play the 1-seeded Big Cats. (18) on the draw. All smiles. 24 now. Chips in. 18. 18. 5's on him. 18 now battles. 2-on-2. 18 digs it out. 5's on him. Hey, guy. Hey. To the point. 1. Long shot. Oh, nice save through traffic. Don't even have 5 guys in front. Somehow made it through. 18. Shot. Blocked down by 5. 24 now in transition. 15 seconds left. 24. Another empty net. This is going to be it. 5 seconds. Freshman team's going to do it. Final score, Lightning Freshman, blue team 3, Cadet team, gray team 1. Great game though. Freshman team will go on to play the 1-seeded Big Cats.